Hey, Artificial Antics fans, it's Mike here, ready to guide you through the world of prompt engineering with GPT models, particularly GPT-4. Remember, you can catch more episodes and content on our website, antics.tv. So let's dive in. Prompt engineering is all about communicating effectively with AI. It's like giving clear instructions to a smart assistant. The better your prompts, the better the results. First up, write clear instructions. You wouldn't mumble to a friend when asking for directions, right? Same with AI. Be clear and concise. If you need a brief reply, ask for it. Want expert-level details? Mention that. Next, provide reference text. Think of it as giving AI a cheat sheet. It helps the AI stay on track, especially with complex topics. Complex task? Break it down. It's like solving a puzzle, one piece at a time. This approach reduces errors and makes tasks manageable for AI. Give AI time to think. These models, like us, need a moment to process information, especially for complex reasoning tasks. Don't forget, AI isn't all-powerful. Use external tools to complement it. For calculations or specific data, pair AI with tools like code execution engines or data retrieval systems. And here's a crucial one. Test changes systematically. Think of it as scientific experiments. Small tweaks can lead to big improvements, but always validate your results. Lastly, let's talk tactics. Including details in your query, using delimiters for clarity, and asking the model to adopt a persona can be super effective. Remember, folks, prompt engineering is an art and a science. It's about guiding AI to understand and respond just the way you need. Keep experimenting, and you'll be a prompt engineering wizard in no time. That's a wrap on this AI Byte. For more AI adventures with Rico, me, and our AI companion, head over to antics.tv. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the lab.